Hi friends, welcome to today's piano tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you the song Traitor by Olivia Rodrigo off of her new album Sour here on the piano. Now if you're new to my channel, welcome, and my name is Josh. If you want to see more piano tutorials like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit that like button as well if you enjoy this video. Anyways, let's get started by looking at what we're going to learn today. This song is going to be very easy. There's just going to be 4 chords. And it's going to sound like this. Let me hum along with it as well to make it a little bit easier. Da 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 Alright, yeah, so that's it. That's going to be everything to play the entire song actually. It's just going to be those 4 chords. So let's go over those chords now. So our first chord is going to be this chord here, E flat. So to play that, we're just going to have an E flat in the bass, and then in the right hand, I'm going to play G, B flat, and E flat. Now for our second chord, we're just going to drop down to a to a D here in the right hand, and then we'll play G here in the left hand. So this is going to be a G minor chord. Now for our third chord, we're going to go to a C now in the bass, and then G, C, and E flat. And this is going to be our C minor chord. And lastly, we're going to go down to our A flat chord. So that's A flat in the bass, A flat, C, and E flat here in the right hand. And now to play it all together, it's pretty easy. We're just going to give each one 2 beats, and then yeah, that's how it goes. So it'll sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. And that's going to be pretty much the whole song. Now, one thing I like to add just to mix it up, you kind of hear this in the first verse, is that on our second chord, so we start there on the E flat chord, but then instead of going to this G minor chord every time, sometimes I like to instead go to a D here in the left hand, making this a G minor chord over a D. And that kind of just gives it a little bit of a different sound. So that sounds more like this then. You see, it kind of bridges that gap between that E flat and that C. Yeah, that's just one thing you can do to mix it up. So yeah, there's really nothing more for me to teach you on this song. It's just those 4 chords for the entire thing. But if you do have any questions, feel free to leave those down in the comments. I'd be happy to try to answer those for you. Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed that piano tutorial of Traitor by Olivia Rodrigo. If you enjoyed, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.